Ever get the dreaded, "We couldn't verify your identity" message on Cash App and feel completely stuck? Don't worry, because in the next 90 seconds, we're going to walk through the most common reasons this happens and how to fix it so you can get back to using your Cash App. The first and most frequent culprit is incorrect or outdated personal information Cash App needs to match the details you provide with their records. For security, double-check your full legal name, date of birth, and address as they appear on your official ID. Even a small typo can cause a failure. Next up, ensure your Cash App is running the latest version. Older apps can sometimes have compatibility issues with verification systems. Head to your device's app store and search for Cash App if an update is available. Install it immediately. Sometimes, unusual account activity can trigger additional security checks, leading to this message. This could be anything from a sudden surge in transactions to a login from an unfamiliar location. Cash App system might be extra cautious. If you've confirmed your information is accurate and your app is updated, it's time to reach out to Cash App support. They can see what specific roadblock is preventing verification. From the Cash App, tap your profile icon, then select support. You can usually initiate a chat or find their contact information there to explain your situation. Be prepared to provide details about the issue and any information they request to help them investigate. By systematically checking these potential issues and contacting support when needed, you can successfully navigate Cash App's identity verification and get back to seamless transactions.